Hello students, welcome to the channel Learning Support. In this video, we are doing exercise 13C of chapter factorization. It is very simple exercise. We have to follow identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. For completing the sum, we have to follow 2 or 3 steps and we have the answer. What are these steps? Step 1. Bring the equation to a square minus b square form. Second step is just write the factors a plus b, a minus b. Some of the sums may require a third step, which is simplification. Our first sum is 16 minus 9x square. First step is we have to write it in a square minus b square form. 16 is, we can write as 4 square. 9x square can be written as 3x whole raised to square. Now we have a square minus b square form. We just have to write factors a plus b and a minus b. Here in this case it will be 4 plus 3x, 4 minus 3x. Second sum, 1 minus 100a square. We will write it in a square minus b square form. 1 we will write as 1 square minus 100a square can be written as 10a whole raised to square. So we have a square minus b square form. Now we have to write factors 1 plus 10a and 1 minus 10a. We have question 4x square minus 81y square. 4x square can be written as 2x whole raised to square minus 9y whole raised to square. So our a square minus b square form first step is over. We have to write factors 2x plus 9y, 2x minus 9y. Fourth sum, we'll write it as 2 upon 5 whole raised to square minus 5b whole raised to square. First step is done. Now second step, 2 upon 5 plus 5b in one bracket, 2 upon 5 minus 5b in second bracket. Fifth sum, it is already in a square minus b square form. So next step is writing the factors. We will write a plus 2b plus a in one bracket, a plus 2b minus a in second bracket. First bracket has like terms a and a, so it needs to be simplified further. We will add these two and write 2a plus 2b, and here a and minus a is getting cancelled, so we have 2b in the second bracket. As 2 can be taken out common, so 2a plus b, 2b, we will write this in front. It will become 2b, a plus b is equals to 2 to the 4b, a plus b. Sixth sum, is it in a square minus b square form? This part is, but this we have to do. So we will write it as 5a minus 3b square minus 16b square can be written as 4b whole raised to square. Step is done. Now we have to write factors 5a minus 3b plus 4b in one bracket, 5a minus 3b minus 4b in second bracket. 5a will remain same, minus 3b plus 4b will give us 1b. 5a remains same because there is no a factor here, so minus 3 and minus 4b will become minus 7b. Seventh sum, a raised to 4 can be written as a square square and this will remain same. a square minus 3b square square. Now we have to write factors of these. In first bracket we will have a square plus a square minus 3b square. Now next bracket we'll put a square bracket because there will be one more bracket inside. So a square minus 3b square. We are doing this because this sign of this bracket will change of the factors inside because of this minus sign. So here we have a square plus a square will become 2a square minus 3b square. Here we will open the bracket, a square minus a square plus 3b square. This will get cancelled. We have 2a square minus 3b square, 3b square. We can write this in front, 3b square, 2a square minus 3b square. That's 8th sum is already in a square minus b square form, but it will require further simplification after writing the factors. So we have 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b in one bracket, and in second bracket we will have 5a minus 2b minus 2a minus b in second bracket. 5a plus 2a becomes 7a, minus 2b and minus b becomes 3b. This bracket we will open. We'll have 5a minus 2b minus 2a plus b. This will remain same. 5a minus 2a is 3a, minus 2b plus b is minus b. 9th sum. 1 can be written as 1 square minus this 25, we will make it 5a plus b whole raised to square. Now we will write factors. 1 plus 5a plus b, this is our one factor, and second one is 1 minus 5a plus b. We'll simplify it further. 1 plus 5a plus 5b, 1 minus 5a minus 5b. In sum, we will first write it in a square minus b square form. So this 4 has to be written as 2a plus b whole raised to square. So this became our a square minus this will remain same. Now we have to write factors. That means a plus b and a minus b. This whole part plus this part minus this part. So we have 2a plus b plus a minus b. So this is our first bracket. In second bracket we will have 2a plus b minus a minus b. So this is our a plus b, this is a minus b. Now we will simplify it further. We'll multiply this by 2. We will have 4a plus 2b plus a minus b. Here we will have 4a plus 2b, and this minus sign is there outside the bracket, so sign of the variables inside will change. It will become minus a plus b. So now we can add these. 4a plus a becomes 5a, 2b minus b will become plus 1b, and here we have 4a minus a, that is 3a, 2b plus b will become 3b. Now this 3 can also be removed as a common factor. We will write that in front. this will remain same, and 3 we have taken common, so this will become a plus b. Sum number 11. Is this in a square minus b square form? No. These numbers have to be taken inside the bracket and made whole square. So we will write it as 5 2x plus y whole raised to square minus 16 also we'll write as 4x minus y whole raised to square. Now this became our a square minus b square form. Now we'll write the factors 5 2x plus y plus 4x minus y in one bracket. Another bracket will have 5 2x plus y minus 4x minus y in another bracket. So this is our a plus b, a minus b factors. We will simplify them. We'll have 10x plus 5y plus 4x minus 4y. Next bracket will have 10x plus 5y minus 4x minus will become plus 4y. Now 10x plus 4x becomes 14x, 5y minus 4y becomes 1y, 10x minus 4x becomes 6x, 5y plus 4y is 9y. Now these two have 3 as a common factor. We will write 3 in front. This will remain same, 14x plus y. This will become 2x plus 3y because 3 we have taken common factor and we have written it in front. 12th sum. I have written this in a square minus b square form. Now we have to write a plus b and a minus b. 49 is taken as 7 inside the bracket and 9 is taken as 3 inside the bracket. Now we have factors a plus b and a minus b we have to write. This will become 7x minus y plus 3 2x plus y in one bracket. So this is our a plus b. Now we have to write a minus b. So this is 7x minus y minus 3 2x plus y. This is our a minus b. Now we will simplify it. This will become 7x minus 7y plus 6x plus 3y. Here we have 7x minus 7y minus 6x. This minus 3 into y will become minus 3y. There is no need to put a bracket here. 7x minus 7y, we are opening this bracket, so bracket is not needed there. 7x plus 6x becomes 13x minus 7y plus 3y is minus 4y. 7x minus 6x is x minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10y. In sum, we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 20. So we have 20 upon 3 square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3 square. So we have a square minus b square. Now we will write factors a plus b and a minus b. Denominator is same, so they can be added directly. 20 plus 7 upon 3, 20 minus 7 upon 3. we have 27 upon 3 multiplied by 13 upon 3. 3 9s are, again 3 1s are, here 3s are. We have 13 3s are, 39 as the answer. 14th sum is similar to 13th one. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this will become 7 10s are 70 plus 3, that is 73 by 10 square, minus 2 10s are 20 plus 1 21 by 10 square. Now we have a square minus b square. We will write factors a plus b and a minus b. Denominators are same, so we can directly this becomes 94 by 10 and this is 52 by 10. If you multiply these two, you will have 4 8 8 8 divided by 100. 94 multiplied by 52 will give us this, and final answer. There are 2 zeros in the denominator. We will put a decimal point after 2 numbers, so this will become 48.88. 15th sum, it is already in a square minus b square form, so we will just write a plus b and a minus b. 0.7 plus 0.3, 0.7 minus 0.3. So this will give us 0.7 plus 0.3 is 1 and 0.7 minus 0.3 is 0.4. So if you multiply this by 1, answer is 0.4. 16th sum is also similar. We have 4.5 square minus 1.5 square. Already in a square minus b square form, we will write 4.5 plus 1.5 in one bracket, that is our a plus b, and 4.5 minus 1.5 in another bracket, that is our a minus b. 4.5 plus 1.5 is 6 and 4.5 minus 1.5 is 3. So we have 6 3s are 18 is our answer. 17th sum. We have to write this in a square minus b square form. But the numbers given here 75 and 48 are not perfect square. You have to remember that you will take out something common from these two numbers and then they will become perfect squares. What is common in 75 and 48? They have factor 3. So we will take out 3 as common and write it as 25 x plus y whole raised to square minus 16 x minus y square. Now we have still it has to be made proper a square minus b square. So 5x plus y whole raised to square minus 4x minus y whole raised to square, and we have this 3 in front. This 3 we had taken out common. Now this is our a square minus b square. So this 3 will remain as it is. Now we will write factors for this a plus b and a minus b. So we have 5x plus y plus 4x minus y. This is our a. 5x plus y minus 4x minus y. This is our a minus b. Now we will multiply this. This becomes 5x plus 5y plus 4x minus 4y. 5x plus 5y minus 4x. This minus minus will become plus 4y. 3 will remain common. We have 5x plus 4x, 9x. 5y minus 4y will give us y. 5x minus 4x is x. 5y plus 4y is 9y. Sum number 18. It is slightly different than other sums. These three terms we have to change into perfect square. I will change them to a plus 2 whole raised to square minus a square. How I did that I will show you, but let us first complete this sum. A plus 2, now we have this in the form a square minus b square. So we will write a plus 2 plus a in one bracket, a plus 2 minus a in another bracket. We have 2a plus 2, and here a gets cancelled, so we have 2. 2 can be taken out common, so we have a plus 1 into 2. This also we can, this 2 also can be brought in front, and we will have 2 2s are 4, a plus 1. Now how I have done this, how I have changed, I have used identity a plus b whole raised to square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have three terms here in this form and have converted to a plus b whole raised to square form. So these three terms become a plus 2. If you expand this by this using this identity, you will have a square plus 2a into b plus b square. This is a square plus 4a plus 4. So this we have changed to this and we have used it here. 19th sum is also similar to 18th. Now here these three terms we will change to perfect square. We'll write this as a square minus, we are taking out common, in bracket we have b square plus 2b plus 1. I'll show you. We will write this as b plus 1 whole raised to square, because if we expand this by using identity a plus b whole raised to square, we have b square plus 2 into b into 1 plus 1 square, that is b square plus 2b plus 1. So we have this, we will, instead of this we will write this. So we will convert this into b plus 1 whole raised to square. So we have a square minus b plus 1 whole raised to square. So we have this in a square minus b square form. We will write factors a plus b plus 1 in one bracket, a minus, again we will put a bracket because minus sign is there, is equals to a plus b plus 1 and a minus b minus 1 in another bracket. Last sum of the exercise. We will change these three terms in perfect square. They will become x plus 3 whole raised to square minus this also we can change into 2y whole raised to square. So we have a square minus b square form, x plus 3 plus 2y in one bracket, x plus 3 minus 2y in another bracket. So we have, this is our a plus b and a minus b. We will check x plus 3 whole raised to square by using identity a square, a plus b whole raised to square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This will become x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. This is x square plus 6x plus 9. We had this here, and instead of this we have written x plus 3 whole raised to square.